สวัสดีครับ Hello everyone. My name is Natt Leelawat. I'm an associate professor in industrial engineering from the Faculty of Engineering, Chulalongkorn University. I'm also the head of the Disaster and Risk Management Information System Research Unit of Chulalongkorn University, as well as the International Collaboration Working Group for the Earthquake Research Center of Thailand. Yeah, it's my honor to be a part of the event organized here. Thank you so much for the invitation. The 20 years commemoration of the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. My talk today, I plan to talk about the technologies across the disaster education, which will be equal the resilience. Um, what I plan to do today is that, I want to give you the example of what kind of technology that we can use to create this kind of resilience. But the beginning part, I will introduce you more about the Earthquake Research Center of Thailand. Then I will talk about the tsunami education, the role of technology, and the examples. Until the end will be the summary. For me myself, I'm working on the three stream of the research. The first one is the disaster and risk management. The second one is about managing information systems, which I try to apply the data science, data analytics, simulation, and so on into the disaster scenarios. And the last one, will also work for the business continuity management in order to push the effort on increase the awareness of the people, of the company, of the communities, and so on to know that we should create a plan like BCP or BCM in order to make everything or the operation can be continued during the disruption. Okay, and when I work here at Chulalongkorn University, the research unit that I'm not alone here. I work with the team, and the team that work together with me include Professor Prasad, Professor Supatra, Professor Chatpan, and Professor Jing. Yeah, we work. Although we are from different area, but we can work together to create research and practical outcomes. Okay, let me start with the newly established. I should say it's not that new, but it's like a few years ago, the National Research Council of Thailand have the project that we want to establish the hub of talent, and one of those hubs called the Earthquake Research Center of Thailand, that lead by the founding directors, Professor Pen from AIT in Thailand. In this Earth Center, we focus on earthquake as well as tsunami. And recently, just 11 to 13 December this year, we also organized the second Thailand Symposium on earthquake research with the special chapters of the 20 years on the remembering of 2004 Indian Ocean tsunami. So that event, we have many international guests and also the Thai expert in the country come to share our research and idea on the tsunami disaster risk management. Okay, we also promote the disaster education in the event or even in the school, like the photo that you saw. We try to let the kids know the importance of tsunami management or how they can create their own practice in order to encounter those kind of disasters. Then why it's important for tsunami education? Yeah, I don't need to say much about the 2004 tsunami because many of you know about that. But why education matter? Yeah, two main reasons. Because disaster education can reduce the loss of life and of course the properties. And the second thing is can help increase the chance to make it happen for the resilience community. Okay, and the activity that we have done through the earth, like what I said, we went to many school. We also find out some area that have the risk of tsunami, and teach the kids. The kids here is in elementary school student, then it's different from teaching in the college or in the university, right? Because you have to simplify the knowledge. You have to make all the information be able to understand from the kid. And of course, we cannot just give the research papers to them. We have to change it to be something else like the games and activities. So we create the series of tsunami board games in order to let the kids in the elementary until high school, until university, or even adults can play. so they can do step by step. And we also establish many games that the kid can enjoy, and all the games linked to tsunami. Okay, this is something that, yeah, we have done so far through the earth. In addition to that, we also want to let the people to get some knowledge about the things that related to tsunami. For example, we just published the beginning of this year the white paper on the inside knowledge about Japan tsunami evacuation warning system in Thai language, because we want to focus on Thai people. We also published another one a few months later, the factor affecting tsunami evacuation, to let us learn what kind of thing can motivate people to evacuate from tsunami. Yeah, please feel free to download it. In terms of the role of technology in disaster education, I think it's quite necessary to talk, because technology can establish the accessibility and scalability. It also contains the real-time data and simulation, and it can make it like the bridge that fulfill the gap between education for the remote area, remote community, and the area that really have no experience about the real disaster at all. Okay. Yeah, when we say like that, what kind of technology that can be used to? So I'm picking three key innovation that, yeah, it should be the tools for the current era that can help the kids to learn about disasters. We are, yeah, because VR can simulate the thing that let people who have no experience. And if you ask the kid in Thailand, of course they have no experience because it's already 20 years from the Indian Ocean tsunami. They have to learn just from the video clip or from the photos or from the peoples. But if we can let them try VR, we can create their own imagination that this is a virtual reality they explore and they can see. The second one is mobile application. Everyone carry mobile phones, right? So just have more application that can let them learn and play about disasters. And lastly, gamification. We also can apply the normal activity, the normal drill, normal practice to be gamified in order to let them enjoy about those kind of things. Okay, the first example that I would like to give about the VR, this is what we have done so far in the laboratory. We try to find out the way that we want people to feel more realistic on the tsunami evacuation. So we established the 3D models in the study area, and we let try them to make the decision when they have to choose something. Yeah, for example, the area with or without the hazard zone side, or the way they will go follow the smaller cloud or the bigger cloud. Those kind of things, yeah, are the thing that we think if we let them see from their eyes, maybe they can make more reasonable reasons and reasonable decision. We show it in the Inventors Day in Thailand, as well as the Tsunami Museum in Thailand already about that. And we also get some achievement for this kind of idea from the Natt International Innovation Competition in Canada. Yeah, you want to go a gold medal and other special awards from there. And we also try to make the second version of this prototype to make it more realistic. So what you can see now, this is like the area of Patong Beach in Phuket province in Thailand. We try to let the samples understand that the importance of choosing the way to evacuate, like between going by car and going by foot, which one can be easiest or more difficult. And they also can choose a decision if they follow the big group of people or smaller group of people, which one will be the way they choose. Or they also can think about if they have to evacuate and they have the thing they need to make decision. Yeah, we can add those kind of scenarios to be inside of this kind of model, and yeah, we let them learn and we ask for their feedbacks, because we also want to know the reasons behind that decision. So this kind of thing will be the part of the research as well. Okay. And lastly, for the situation in Thailand, yeah, my team, we published the articles called Today in Thailand, Multidisciplinary Perspective on the Current Tsunami Disaster Risk Reduction. You may check it out. This one, we try to update what we have done, what we have learned since 2004, and improve and adapt and do many things in Thailand country. Okay. Lastly, yeah, the summary for today, I have the key takeaway for you that technology is a key to empower at risk communities. And like the title, technology cross the education, it can create resilience. But anyway, we have some challenges about the digital divide in some vulnerable regions. The thing that we have to concern the factor to influence people to accept this kind of technology as well as the training. But anyway, the future trend, we also have to use the power of AI for drive the adaptive learning system. And also we want more and more collaboration because we need some more and data, some more practice from everyone from everywhere. Today, thank you so much, everyone.